Good morning, welcome back. I want to start the morning by being thankful and very grateful for our health. Once again, I can't believe I didn't think of this sooner. So important. I'm sure you're healthy, and if you're not completely healthy, you are somewhat healthy. You're still here, you can still hear me, and you can breathe. So let's be thankful for that. Let's be thankful for our health today. So I'll invite you to do this tiny, teeny meditation with me this morning to start the day in a super positive way and appreciating what we do have. So sit back as we play this beautiful music. I want you to really relax. Close your eyes and take a deep breath and exhale. We take a deep breath through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Every time you breathe in, you bring in peace, beauty, and wellness. And every time we exhale, we let go of everything that doesn't serve us. So, take a deep breath in and exhale. And as you breathe deeply, feel the calm and the peace that you have just by being with yourself. Feel how special you are. You are safe. You are healthy. You are well. And you are protected always. Even when it doesn't seem that way. And take a deep breath in and exhale. And we are going to focus on our health. So let's be thankful that we are able to hear and breathe and experience. Take deep breaths and feel the air coming through your nose and inside your body. And feel the air traveling through your body, touching every organ, bringing you oxygen, keeping you healthy. Feel what it looks like when you exhale. See how your body moves. You are healthy. You are well. So let's say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, health, for being with me. Thank you for being healthy. Thank you. I am happy about myself. I am happy to be healthy. I am thankful to be healthy. I appreciate being healthy. And take a deep breath in and exhale. And another deep breath in and let it out. And once again, feel tall, feel healthy, feel happy. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And you can send me a little note and let me know how it went. Were you able to relax? This is a great way to start your day. I hope you have an amazing day, and try to remember to be appreciative for everything that you have today, especially and including your health. I will see you again here tomorrow. All my love.